Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I thought I would pop on here and do a real fast project video of one of my latest projects. It is another loaded suitcase, as you can see right here. I've been making a lot of these. They're real popular right now. And I did use a tutorial by Jen Cassell, and I will put her link below if you want to look her up and follow her tutorial to make yourself a loaded suitcase. And anyway, I thought I would show you how I'm going to load this up. So I made this cute little binder. It's actually envelopes, so it's an envelope binder. I did use acetate for the cover, and it is a shaker, so it's got lots of little sequins inside. I don't know if you can see it. There's lots of little sequins inside, and I did use the Carousel collection by Maggie Holmes. Made some cute little tassels and put these here on the side. This binder is super easy to make, and all you need are envelopes, of course, and a cover and some string, some kind of string or twine or ribbon. And so you make a bunch of envelopes. I have 5 envelopes, and I did put a pocket in the back, which I stuck some cute little trim that I picked up from AliExpress with these little stars. And so in each one of these, I tried to stick with the Carousel collection, and so inside each one of these I have put some sort of goodie. This one is a memory disc card because we did agree to swap memory disc cards also. And this one turned out super adorable. I don't know if you can see the details. It's kind of cloudy here today. The sun's in and out. But I should stick my name on the back before I send this off, I suppose. And so that's in this first envelope here. The next one, I made some bag toppers and some butterflies. Here's the bag topper, and here are the butterflies. I did use the mesh glitter ribbon that you pick up at Hobby Lobby for the centers, and I did die cut those. My die cut machine did cut through those with the dies, and so those turned out really pretty. In this pocket, I had put some little embellishments, some little medallions. And these turned out super cute too. And also I put acetate behind these, and I backed it with some gold glitter tulle that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. Just added a little sparkle to it, made it extra cute. And then these are just some of the Carousel collection. I don't even know what these are called, library card looking folders. So I stuck a package of those in there, tied this up real cute, and then the last page here is a pack of the ephemera, the Carousel ephemera. I took it out of the package and stuck it in here because the package wouldn't fit in the suitcase, so I had to redo it. And so I made one of these vinyl pockets, stitched it, and there you go. Super adorable. See if I can get it back in there. And then the last page here is some trim that I put on a little tag that I made. And so this is the little book. And so I plan on sticking this book right here inside this suitcase. Fits perfectly. And the suitcase looks like this. I did embellish the pocket right here with a, I did make like a little gusset over here. I guess that's what you call it. Oops, I don't think you can see it. But there is, it's a spacious pocket. And so I plan to put these goodies inside that pocket. So I made this embellishment here. This one's adorable. I can't wait to make some more of these. But that's going to go inside, and these are some Maggie Holmes hearts, the gold fabric hearts. And then these little stickers that I picked up from Joann's. So here's the enamel hearts and the stars. And so this is a cute bag topper. Oh my gosh, I love it. So anyway, these are going to all fit down inside right here, inside this pocket. And then I will do this later, but so I can get it all in there perfect. And then the suitcase shuts like this. Of course, none of this stuff won't be sticking out, but so this is what it looks like on the outside. Of course, without this stuff sticking out, I just need to take the time to stick it in there properly. But I attached a a yarn pom-pom that I made, a little tassel, and a die-cut key, gold key. Tied some tulle trim on here, and put her initial right here. And this one is super cute. So I love how this one turned out. And then I'm also going to send her the carousel mini paper pad. I did have to tear all the sheets out because it won't fit inside the box with that extra little, you know, ½ inch or whatever it is at the top. So I cut it all out, clipped them together, put some little pom-poms on in the end of the clip here. Made it super cute. And I'm going to send her one of these. So anyway, that is my project share for Prettiest Little Things, and I can't wait for her to get it. I hope she loves it, and thanks for watching.